kind of fantasy they mean. What's your greatest fantasy? Oh my god! I gotta speed up. Oh, and then hit this. Okay, I'm gonna, yeah, because I gotta stop here, it's gonna pile up, so I'm just gonna get ready for that right. I don't want to fight. I don't want to fight at the last minute. Dang it! This is a long light. I hate to add these long flipping lights to the video. It's so annoying. Calibra Super Meat Market, Tequila, Barbacoa, Carnitas, Tamales, Super Meat Market. Nice long light. Oh, and then it extends by the cars taking their time moving. 186 for gas? Wow. It just gets cheaper the further north I go. Temptations. I wonder what kind of temptations they're referring to. Fantasy and temptations. Bingo. So we got gambling and fantasy stuff. Dental care. The beauty parlor. Imagine. Yeah, I think they got a bit of a theme going on here. Mexican businesses and fantasies and bingo. You got a certain class of business that are grouping together in this little spot. Loose dog. Take a picture, don't chase. Grissom gate. 840 still. I'm sweating, it's hot enough. Wheels, tires, appliances, electronics. Rolling rentals. Okay. Rudy Dominguez, Ruben Tejeda, Juan Hernandez. Automotive repair, Village Parkway Automotive. 45.3 miles is the right. Not here though. Nope, it's the next. On Isla Bonita. Advanced auto parts. Now we're getting into residential. Getting away from the military stuff. And the strip shows. I love putting strip clubs around the military bases for some reason. Something about young guys and their priorities. Grissom Road. Whataburger, 24-hour Whataburgers. They're all over the place in Texas. 24-hour Whataburger. Okay, that's a flashing yellow. You can move ahead. Oh man, and I can't like beep at this guy because it's like so many people just sit in the intersection. I'm like, I want to beep at him and just say, get up forward a little bit. But so many people don't do that. Oh. Alright, so it's a right on Great Northwest Library. Okay, I'll see the library. Northwest, nope, not that one, not the dental center. It's the Great Northwest Library. Not the Great Northwest Branch. No, it is that. It is the branch. Why do you call it the branch? You're supposed to be the Northwest Library, not the branch. That makes it sound like it's a bank. Blah! Too much green tea. Bullet green tea. Okay, why does that say no parking? School bus loading? Alright, well, I'll take the end. Or not. No, I don't even want to get close to the bus. They don't have the best drivers. They're desperate for drivers all the time. Doesn't mean they're going to pick the best. Give them space. Give them lots of space.